This is DC Danton Crow Crusader, and it's the 20th of November. Looks like the janitor's gone. I don't know what this little tractor's doing here, but we're just going to go ahead and feed right away before any bad people come our way. I had enough of the school children today. That was enough. Look at our beautiful seagulls. Look at that, our black-headed gulls. Few pigeons. Looks like all the sunflower seeds are gone from our little sparrows. I don't see any. My goodness. It's barely 4 o'clock, and it's just so dark. I guess also because it's so gray outside. Listen to these gulls here. We have a little duck. I think that's Luca. We'll go over here. Luca's getting some grain. He's finding in the soil there. There we go. There are walnuts here. I wonder if Luca was the one who had a damaged little leg, had trouble walking. I wonder. He's getting something to eat that will help him heal up. Obviously, nourishment is everything, isn't it? What's here? A little wrapper here. Okay. Not much cat food tonight. I still got a little bit to put down. Okay. Let's go down this way. There we go. Okay, let's get our little bowl so they can eat in peace. Our little dolls. That must be where I threw it down this morning. Yeah, I think I went this way this morning. That's true. That's right. That's my grain. Just double checking. Listen to those gulls. I do see a mule gull there. I think Seymour's in there. Look, kind of a couple crows trying to get in there. But we always have more seagulls in the evening than we do in the morning. I'm not sure why, but we just do. At least right now. I can't believe how thick the grass got. It's all because of the rain. And we had still a fair amount of sunlight despite everything. Look at our little gulls. Little Luke is still eating there all by himself. And we have our little crows getting in on the action. I put quite a bit of grain out there. So the gulls are picking out all the good stuff. The nuts, kilo of shelled peanuts, And of course our crows are going after the walnuts and their peanuts in the shell. And of course there's a lot of good grain there. The wheat and a mixture of seed and another mixture that has 2 kilos of oats mixed with sunflower seeds, mixed with nuts. A different mixture that I buy in 5 kilo bags. I think I put 2.5 kilos out there, half a bag. So yeah, it's a lot. But look how many birds we have to feed here. It's quite a lot of birds. So, but we're feeding twice a day. So everybody's going to get something. And it'll be enough, since it's 7 days a week, to hold them through the winter. They'll have enough to survive and see through the winter, no matter how cold it gets. And that's the most important thing. That is my goal. Make sure they survive the winter and that they stay healthy. Oh, look at that. Oh, a little crow fight over there in the corner. Oh, some more ducks came in. We have another pair of mallard ducks. Here we go. Here we go. As soon as I come on the field, they start with those noises in the, see the Migros van that they use as storage, and they start banging. I believe they go inside that truck and just bang on the walls. I believe that's what they're doing, because otherwise I don't understand it. If I come out here 3 o'clock, they do it. If I come out here 4 o'clock, they do it. So obviously, it's in relationship to the birds and nothing else. So, I'm going to shut down now because I need to get home. Miele's not doing very well, and I'm not sure I'm going to bring him into the vet on Thursday. He's still not quite strong enough, and we'll move it till next week, to the very last week in November. By the way, this Thursday is Thanksgiving in America. Another Thanksgiving I've missed. I've missed 14 of them. 14 years since I've been here, and I haven't been able to make one Thanksgiving in the States. It's very, very tragic. It's always a big holiday in my family and in my own family. Yeah, very sad. So, I don't know what to say. I make my own Thanksgiving here with Bryant, but not surrounded by our children and his children and my son. I know relatives, my sister and his sister. I don't know, it's kind of sad. Thanksgiving is always a time to meet with family, and we don't have that. So, yeah, it's very, very sad. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader, wishing you a great Monday, the start to a good week, and I will see you tomorrow morning, bright and early. Love your birds. Stay healthy. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Over and out. I'd like to know what he's going to be doing now. We'll see. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow, bright and early. It's DC Danton Crow Crusader. Over and out.